Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop syncing OneDrive. So let's have a look now. Start by opening OneDrive, click on Settings, then choose Pause Syncing. Now you can quiet OneDrive or set a specific time to stop syncing. Confirm the action, it will stop the syncing. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.